comes to shaping skylines and clearing the way for the future, Miller Environmental leads the charge. With million-dollar contracts and operations spanning the United States, their fleet is always on the move, ready to take on the toughest jobs. But even the strongest teams need trusted partners. That's where Mobile Safe Auto Glass comes in, delivering fast, reliable service to keep their fleet safe and operational. With precision and expertise, we ensure every vehicle is road ready, so Miller Environmental can stay focused on what they do best. Big jobs need trusted partners. That's why Miller Environmental relies on Mobile Safe Auto Glass to keep their fleet ready for action nationwide. Why partner with Mobile Safe Auto Glass? On-site glass, repairs and replacements, nationwide coverage, reliable expertise, custom solutions. From routine repairs to emergency replacements, we ensure your vehicles stay road ready so you can focus on your business. Let's build a partnership that drives success.